technology. If you're looking for a free PDF editor, so this video is for you. And maybe you are using Adobe or any other paid application to edit your PDF file. So for example, I have a Adobe application. So with this application I can only view the PDF file, but if I want to edit or do some changes or compress those, so that is not possible in this. So I have to log in over here, and then only I can access those features. So it's a paid version. I need to pay the huge amount. So instead of that, I have a free application that I will show you. So let's open the Google first and then type here JOPDF. Hit enter. Open the first URL. So if you scroll a little bit, everywhere you will see that it is a free tool. With this you can edit, convert, compress, merge. So many options are here, and this is available for Windows, Mac and Linux as well. So what we will do, we will go to download center, and over here it is showing it is available for all three operating systems. So for us it is Windows. So let's download this file, and it is downloaded. So I need to install it. Click on install. It will take some time here, and then it will install. So once it is installed, click on start or double click on the icon. So it is started now. So now it is open, and you can see over here we have 6-7 options. So first we have edit. So with this we can edit, and then we can convert this file in a different format like PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. And then we have compress. You can compress the file, then create PDF, print, organize and encrypt. You can set up a password on your PDF file. So let's edit first. So if I click here, over here on my desktop I have a file Linux PPT. So if I open the file here, you can see that if I just simply click, and if I want to change anything, maybe basic Linux commands. So if I edit this and type here something, so you can see that it is taking the exact font. It is not changing anything. And if I want to delete, copy or anything, rotate, so all these options are here. Suppose I don't need this second file, second page, so I can simply delete it. Okay, so few more options are here. So let's save it, and it is done now. If I open the file again, just simply open, you can see the second page is deleted and here the changes. Okay, so now we will open it again, and now we'll try something else. Now if you want to convert the file in different format, right, like PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so you can select this option. So now for example, if I want to convert in Word, so I need to select the file from here, and then I can select how many pages I want to convert in that particular format. So maybe I want 1 to 10 pages, or you can select the exact 1 to 17 pages, and from here you need to select the format, which format you need. So just click on start. It will take few seconds, depend how many pages you have. So once done, I just need to close, and then you will see the Word file here on the desktop. So I have all the pages in Word format. Now we'll check few more options. Compress. So if I check the file size right now, it is 757 KB. So compress, add file. If I want to compress this file, over here we have to select low, medium, high. So we can select high and then start. You will see one more file over here. Before it was this size, now it is converted to 65.27 KB. So it is compressed. Now we will move to the next. So create PDF, it is a simple option. We print and then organize. You can delete few pages or something, those kind of thing you can do. This is the most important option. So if I select this file, open password, just click on. Okay, so it should be different. So you can see we have set up the password. Now if I open, it will ask the password first and then it will open. So if you have any doubt, comment below, and if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.